Hey everyone, this is Aruna Arichami, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, SNS College of Technology. In my lecture series today, we're going to see about what is the purpose of database management system along with their applications. So what do you mean by database management system? Means it contains the information and data about the particular enterprises. Your data may be a collection of irrelated data, or it will have a set of program to access the data, or it will have a certain environment, and also it can be used by both in convenient and efficient manner while we are using it in, because whatever the data and information we are using, definitely it must be in a convenient and efficient way. So along with that thing, we can define the database systems are used to manage the different collections of data. Yeah, that collections may be a highly valuable data or relatively large data, and it can be accessed by a single user or a multiple user, and then it can be used by the application, but often it can be used at the same time. But in the modern database system is a complex software system whose take is to be manage a large and complex collection of data. So only nowadays we are using a big data. So database, we can, if you are saying a database, definitely it will touches all aspects of our lives. So what are the major applications of database management system is? First one is the enterprise. Enterprise is nothing but because it will related with the HR component, account component, sales component. So this is the thing between the information about the employees' salaries and payrolls and etc. So definitely in this case, database is majorly needed because these data somewhere we have to store. Whenever it can be needed, we can able to access it. So only a database can plays a major role in the enterprise type of applications. The next thing is the manufacturing sector. So manufacturing sector, if you is nothing but we have to do certain production of a product or any other thing. Definitely we have to store the certain product information, their orders, supply chain management, inventory, etc. In this case also we need the database application. The next thing is the banking sector. Banking sector, definitely we need the banking information, what type of amount is creditor or a depositor, or they going to credit or a debit, or they going to get a loan, or they have to store the certain banking transaction, customer information, credit card transaction, all financial things. Definitely we need the banking and finance, because the banking and finance we are considering is all our real-time marketing system, that is a e-commerce application and all. It is directly connected to our banking system. So definitely we need the database applications can be used in the banking and financing sector. The fourth one is the universities. Universities is nothing but for storing the student details, faculty salary details, students registration details, students grades, marks, everything we have to store that thing, because that can be used for the future purpose. Definitely we need that also a database applications. The next thing is the airline, railway system and all. Definitely we have to store the schedules, reservations and all. There also a major role played by the database system. The next thing is the telecommunication industry. There also we have to record the text, calls, data usage, monthly bills, maintaining balance of prepaid and postpaid calling cards. Everything we have to store it. For that also we need the database. The next step of an application is a web-based service, that is an online deal retailers for tracking the system, because nowadays and all whatever the things we are purchasing we are using online mode. Even if you want to buy any medicine, that is also we are going for an online. For tracking system and all, definitely we need. So all retailer applications and all, definitely we need the database system. The next thing is a navigation system, that is you're moving of location from one location by using a vehicles. So there also we have to calculate the exact routes, train system, buses, everything we are using a navigation system. There also we need the database management system. So in this case and all, definitely your database management system plays the major role. Other than that, in day-to-day life, everybody we need the database system. Nowadays, mobile phone also we are having so many storages are available. In olden days and all, we doesn't have a storage system, but in our daily usage phone itself, we are having a gigabyte of data for storing our daily generated data. So your data can play a major role for storing the data and information. Definitely we need the database management system. In my next video we're going to see about the what is the major purpose of the database management system. Thank you for watching this video.